Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to take you through my daily routine. I know routines can seem boring, but trust me, mine is simple, fun, and full of little habits that keep me motivated and productive. Whether you're looking for inspiration to start your own routine or just curious about how I spend my day, this video is for you. I'll show you everything, from the moment I wake up to how I wind down at night. Plus, I'll share some tips and tricks that help me stay on track. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive into my day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Let's get started. Step 1. Wake up. I wake up every day at 7 a.m. because I love starting my day early. It gives me time to enjoy the quiet morning and plan my day. Step 2. Brush my teeth. After waking up, I brush my teeth to feel fresh and ready for the day. I always use my favorite mint toothpaste. It's the best way to kickstart my morning. Step 3. Drink water. Next, I drink a big glass of water. It helps me stay hydrated and gives me energy. I always add a slice of lemon for a little boost. Step 4. Exercise. I do a quick 20-minute workout. Sometimes it's yoga, sometimes it's a home workout. It keeps me active and helps me stay focused throughout the day. Step 5. Shower and get ready. After my workout, I take a refreshing shower and get dressed. I always pick something comfortable but stylish. It makes me feel confident. Step 6. Have breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite meal. I usually have eggs, toast, and a cup of coffee. It's the perfect way to fuel my body for the day ahead. Step 7. Drive to the market. Around 9 a.m., I drive my car to the market. I love buying fresh fruits, vegetables, and snacks for the week. It's also a great way to support local businesses. Step 8. Work on my projects. By 10 a.m., I'm back home and ready to work on my projects. Whether it's editing videos, writing scripts, or brainstorming new ideas, I always stay focused and productive. Step 9. Take a lunch break. At 1 p.m., I take a break for lunch. I usually have something light and healthy, like a salad or a sandwich. It's my time to relax and recharge. Step 10. Afternoon walk. After lunch, I go for a short walk outside. It helps me clear my mind and get some fresh air. Sometimes I even listen to my favorite podcast while walking. Step 11. Continue working. In the afternoon, I continue working on my projects. I try to finish all my important tasks before the evening so I can relax later. Step 12. Dinner time. At 7 p.m., I have dinner with my family or friends. We usually cook something delicious together, like pasta or stir-fry. It's a great way to end the day. Step 13. Relax and unwind. After dinner, I relax by watching a movie, reading a book, or playing a game. It's my time to unwind and enjoy myself. Step 14. Go to bed. Finally, at 10 p.m., I go to bed. I make sure to get a good night's sleep so I can wake up feeling refreshed and ready for another amazing day. And that's a wrap on my daily routine. I hope you enjoyed getting a peek into my day and found some inspiration to create or improve your own routine. Remember, small habits like waking up early, staying hydrated, and taking breaks can make a big difference in how you feel and perform every day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments. What's one habit you want to add to your daily routine? I'd love to hear from you. Also, if you're here to speak smart English, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new videos. Together, let's learn, grow, and make every day a little brighter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.